Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Getting visitors but no sales is one of the most frustrating things a seller can face. The good news is that it almost always comes down to a few fixable things on your product page. In this short guide, we'll run a quick 4-point checkup on a listing and fix what's quietly costing you sales. Start by opening the product that gets views but no sales. Go to Products in the left menu and open the listing. We'll look at it the way a shopper does, from top to bottom, and catch what makes them click away. Checkpoint 1 is your main photo. This is the very first thing a buyer judges, often in less than a second. If it's dark, blurry, or busy, they leave before reading a word. Use a clear, well-lit photo on a plain background so the product is easy to see. A strong first image alone can lift your sales. Checkpoint 2 is your description. Views but no sales often means buyers still have a question you didn't answer. Size, material, what's included, how it's used, how it ships. Write it like a friendly mini sales page that removes every doubt, and you remove every reason to hesitate. Checkpoint 3 is your price. A price that feels too high for what the photo and description show will scare buyers off, and a price that feels too low can make them doubt the quality. Make sure the value a shopper sees on the page clearly matches the number you're asking. Checkpoint 4 is the hidden deal breaker, and it lives on the Shipping Properties tab, your product weight. If this is empty or wrong, Resogra can't calculate shipping at checkout, and a buyer who can't see a shipping cost usually abandons the cart. Set a realistic weight here, and use the built-in weight guide if you're not sure. This single field quietly rescues a lot of lost sales. Once you've fixed your photo, your description, your price, and your weight, click Save. Your improved listing goes live right away. Run this same 4-point checkup on any product that gets visits but no orders, and watch those views finally turn into sales. And that's your 4-point listing checkup: photo, description, price, and shipping weight. Fix those, and you give every visitor a clear reason to buy. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.